Now the first thing that we have to do is once the order is placed, we have to create a model to send a payment request. So first we will be working in orders API inside the messages. Let's add a new class file. We will call that as payment request message. Now since this will be the actual model that we will be pushing using message bus, we have to make sure that this uses the base message which is inside mango.messageBus. Then what will be all the properties that we want to process a credit card details? So here we will have the order ID. Next we will have the name of the user. We will have the card number. Then we'll have the CVV, expiry month year, and order total. Of course, you can add more properties here based on your requirement, but we will keep this simple. So this will be the message that we will be posting on the Azure Service Bus. Once this message is retrieved inside our new payment API that we will create, it will process that. Then once the processing is successful, that API will post a new message with the order ID and the status. And the orders API will retrieve that message and then it will update the order status. So for that, within the messages here, we will create a new response message, or rather, let me create a class. We will call that as update payment result message. This will be the next message that the API will post, and it will just have two properties. First will be the order ID, and next will be the Boolean flag for the status. Now initially, let's forget about this message. Let's first work on posting the payment request message. So we will stop this. Let's open up the Azure Service Bus Consumer. Here, when we have to post any message, we need the message bus, and we will have to add that using dependency injection. So we'll open up the startup class file, and we will have to use singleton. So right here, we will say services.add singleton. We want an iMessage bus, and the implementation is inside the Azure Service Message Bus, which is inside the mango.messagebus. So that's good. Once we add that to our container, we can use them in the Azure Service Bus Consumer. Once we configure message bus using dependency injection, let's go to where we create the checkout message received. Once the order header has been created successfully, we can create a new object for the payment request message, and we can populate the properties needed. So here we'll have to populate name, card number, CVV, expiry month, order ID, and order total. We can get all of those from the order header. After that, we have to publish the message. In order to publish the message, we can add a try-catch block here, and we'll say await underscore message bus dot publish message. The model here will be the payment request message, which is of the type base class that we inherited, and then the topic name. We have not created any topic yet. So first, in the next video, let's create a new topic to which we can publish this message, and that can be subscribed in the new API. Let's continue with that in the next video.